Welcome back, curious minds, where we embark on mind-bending cosmic journeys and delve into the mysteries of the universe. Today, prepare to be awestruck as we unveil the secrets of Earth 2.0. Just a few decades ago, the notion of finding another Earth-like planet beyond our solar system was a distant dream, but thanks to astounding technological advancements and relentless scientific pursuit, we're on the brink of discovering these enigmatic twin worlds. Picture this. 30 years ago, we had zero proof of exoplanets, planets beyond our solar system. Fast forward to today, and we've cataloged over 5,300 of these celestial wonders, with the numbers soaring ever higher. Our initial discoveries centered on colossal gas giants, a far cry from our terrestrial haven. Yet, as our technological prowess surged, we began uncovering smaller, more Earth-like exoplanets, each shrouded in intriguing mysteries. But what exactly defines an Earth 2.0? These are planets that echo Earth's essence, yet possess their own spellbinding idiosyncrasies. These planetary marvels might be sculpted from rock or a blend of rock and ice, their atmospheres possibly teeming with the potential for diverse life forms, both familiar and utterly alien. Brace yourselves as we introduce you to the cosmic gem known as Gliese 667, nestled a mere 23 light-years away in the Scorpius constellation. Here we've uncovered the first known instance of a low-mass star, cradling multiple potentially habitable rocky planets within its enchanting Goldilocks zone. But that's not all. This celestial spectacle boasts not one, not two, but three stars. GJ 667a, a radiant orange-red dwarf, is the system's alpha, with GJ 667b, another fiery K-type dwarf, following closely. Yet it's the enigmatic Gliese 667c, a diminutive M-type red dwarf that steals the limelight. It's like there are three moons in the night sky. At first glance, scientists believed a trifecta of exoplanets encircled Gliese 667c, but our thirst for discovery wouldn't be quenched. With renewed scrutiny and additional observations, we've unveiled the possibility of 6 planets within this system, with 3 or even 4 potentially emerging as habitable super-Earths. What sets these 3 potentially habitable planets apart? Picture this. Masses ranging from 1 to 5 times Earth's, orbits within the star's habitable zone, and tantalizing Earth-like features that beckon to explorers and seekers of the unknown. But don't pack your bags just yet. Life on Gliese 667cc comes with its own set of challenges. As it dances perilously close to its star, this enigmatic world is likely tidally locked, with one side forever bathed in sunlight and the other shrouded in eternal darkness. Prepare for temperature swings that defy imagination. Life here isn't for the faint of heart. With a heftier mass, gravitational forces could make you feel as if you've been drawn into a cosmic tug-of-war. Add to that the intense radiation and energetic particles, and you're in for a cosmic roller coaster. Yet life on Gliese 667cc might not be a far-fetched dream. Earth's history is a testament to life's adaptability in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges. Could life find a way in this distant, mystical world? The cosmos may yet surprise us. Beyond Gliese 667cc, we unveil 2 more contenders in this cosmic sweepstakes, Gliese 667ce and CF. These planets receive less of their star's energy, but a robust atmosphere could keep their climates conducive to life as we know it. The notion of Earth 2.0 beckons us ever closer as we unearth Earth-like planets within arm's reach. Gliese 667, with its captivating planetary ensemble, invites us to peer into the kaleidoscope of possibilities beyond our solar doorstep. As we venture further into the cosmos, the quest for Earth 2.0 intensifies. With cutting-edge telescopes on the horizon, we're on the brink of unveiling even more celestial marvels that could redefine our understanding of existence itself. Thank you for joining us on this awe-inspiring cosmic odyssey as we plunge into the enigmatic realm of Earth 2.0. If this voyage has ignited your curiosity, don't forget to ignite the super subscribe button and share your cosmic musings in the comments. Stay curious.